Hi, my name is Rajat Gupta. I'm the Senior Vice President for NextOps Delivery and Tribe. Been with the industry for about 25 plus years and with Mphasis for about 23 years. I'm currently responsible for NextOps, which essentially means technology-driven operations. Gender diversity is pretty good actually, but clearly as we go up on the leadership pyramid, we see that drop dramatically to about 10 to 20%. And that prompted us to start the LeadHER program, to invest in high potential women leaders and invest in them in terms of leadership skills as well as technical competencies. LeadHER will clearly help Mphasis in its diversity and inclusion objectives. Research has clearly shown that gender diversity and diverse teams are much more successful when it comes to being more creative and innovative. LeadHER program is pivotal for our leadership strategy as it promotes equality across genders and gives us a diverse leadership work group. We have done 2 successful batches of LeadHER and would love to expand in terms of more coverage. What would be very important for the future plans would be more investments on new technology skills as well as more learning opportunities for women leaders. I think COVID has been clearly an enabler for promoting this because the whole flexibility around shifts, the hybrid work, etc. actually helped us kick off this program. I see my role as a mentor and enabling a more supportive and an inclusive work environment for women leaders. As peers and managers, would have them provide an equal opportunity as well as promote an inclusive environment for women leaders.